Girl, this that pose for the camera now. Flick, flick, hair. Beyonce. I'm like, Beyonce who? Who? This color that got my skin popping and glowing, my melanin. You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancies, but alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Tell me what you wanna know. I'm taking nice and slow, so my advice is quite polite. Might even mold your decision to see in my vision. Don't need permission, no time for the sitting and waiting, no waking and living my mission. Dreaming serene and I'm making provisions. Don't make mistakes, they create a division. Take and I break each and every revision. I made my way, I portray such precision, that I portray such precision. They're gonna sold their soul because they lost control. I know they might decide tonight to pay the toll. And on the sold their soul, just trying to play a role. I know the fight ignites despite of what they okay, if it don't affect my pay, don't affect my day. I don't know how to rephrase this. I've been infected by greatness. I've been neglecting the basics. Got me protecting my faces. Faces crazed with all that I've embraced when tasting my reality, infallibly engraved in waste originality. When living life encased in chasing the high that my vibe supplies, facing the sky that I occupy, bracing my eyes, feeling alive, living a dream while you living a lie. They're gonna sold their soul because they lost control. I know they might decide tonight to pay the toll. And on the sold their soul, just trying to play a role. I know the fight ignites despite of what they will show. They're gonna sold their soul because they lost control. I know they might decide tonight to pay the toll. And on the sold their soul, just trying to play.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Epic Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is one that I already reviewed in a natural color, and I will link that just in case you didn't see it. So this one, yes, is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. And once again, I had to pick it up, Outre Lilyana, and this one is actually in the color DRFF4 Hazelnut Honey. So the specs on this unit, you do get your typical 2 combs on the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It also does come with an elastic band. The hairline on it, of course, is pre-plucked. The middle is that HD lace and honey. The density on it is between 150 to 180%, so it is nice and full. The length on it comes just below my boob, so it is fairly long. The texture on it is somewhere between a soft to medium yaki, not necessarily yaki, but somewhere in the middle. Definitely not silky though, so keep that in mind. I did get a little bit of tangling and shedding with it, but nothing too serious. The cap size on this one is definitely going to be small, medium, and big head friendly, so that's another plus. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this unit's looking like all around. So let's just get into the cons and the pros of this unit. So not to toot Outre's horn or anything, but I honestly can't say I have any cons on this unit. I absolutely love it, clearly so much that I had to pick it up twice. So let's just jump into the pros, shall we? The pros on this unit are definitely going to be the texture, the color for this particular one, the density, the length, the curl pattern, the hairline, the parting space. Like, must I continue on? I feel feel like this unit is 100% worth the buy, honestly, and that's probably one of the reasons why it keeps selling out so quick. It's literally a throw on and go. Does not take much work at all for you to get the look that you want, and if you are not a person who likes to do baby hairs, the hairline on this one is so nice. You could just select them bad boys back and like call it a day. For this particular look, I just decided to go in with some bobby pins and pin the hair back some, just to give you guys a little look of this great hairline situation they have going on, and the fact that it comes with baby hairs as well, in the lace that comes about an inch back all the way to here, so you do get that realistic natural looking hairline. As you can see, it's like sort of thinned out, and I absolutely love that. Honestly, I feel like that's my favorite part about this unit, the fact that the front part of it looks so realistic and that the parting space is so defined. In honor of me reaching 1,600 subscribers, I just wanted to give you guys all a shout out and thank you so much for being so supportive, so honest, so open, having such good vibes, so positive. I really appreciate you guys so much. So I am deciding to do another giveaway. Now this giveaway is going to close next Friday, October 30th. So let me just tell you how you're going to actually sign up for the giveaway. All you're going to want to do is make sure you like this video, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and then just comment down below your favorite unit of this year, whether it be an old unit or a new unit. I just want to know what you guys' favorite units are. Let me just tell you guys the units that I'm giving away. This time I'm gonna actually be giving away 11 units, and just keep in mind that with the 11 winners for this giveaway, I'm just gonna have you guys make sure that you are sending the money for the cost of the shipping. Normally I don't charge at all, but the fact that I'm giving away 11 units, the shipping fees are gonna kind of get crazy, so that's the reason why I'm only charging for shipping this time around. Just keep in mind, these are units that I did not wear out and about. I literally only wore them for the initial review, and then I threw them in storage. So the units that I'm going to be giving away are the Sensational LAISHA in the color number 2, the Outre CATALINA in the color number 2, the Bobbi Boss Jerry Curl 26, I believe that's either in the color number 1B or the color number 2, the Sensational Angel Face in the color number 2, the Bobbi Boss Sherry in the color number 1B, the Outre Nisha 203 in the color DRFF Black Cherry, the Outre Isla in the color number 1B, the Free Tress PL01 in the color number 2, the Outre Lilia in the color Golden Peach, the Sensational Brielle in the color number 1B, and the Zorisis Halo in the color number 2. So I hope you guys are interested in this giveaway. One entry per person, and just like I said, the giveaway rules: make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below your favorite unit of this year. And like I said, the giveaway does end on October 30th. So honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.